Morning guys, freezing cold, so just launched in the river today. Gonna just sound my way down, see if I can find some schools of fish. I'm already starting to see some fish on the sounder actually. So yeah, just gonna sound down the river, see if I can find anything here, and if not, I'll just hit the southern bay and might even head towards the pin. Yeah, no real target species in mind today, I'll just target what I can see. Anyway guys, we'll see how we go. So I've just got some nice fish sitting on the back side of this bit of reef here. Quite a few fish actually, so definitely gonna give these a go for sure. So I've got some nice fish sitting here on the active target. We'll have a crack at them. So I've decided to bail on those fish, heaps of them there, but wasted quite a bit of time trying to get one to have a go, and I've got one hit and that was about it. So no point in trying to target fish that are just refusing to feed, so I'll go find some more. Well, that's a lot of fish. Come to another area. I found quite a few fish on the sounder. Got wind against the tide, which I don't love. It's quite hard to actually position the boat. So here, quite a few fish 20 meters over to my left. See what they are, hopefully. Yep, there's one, straight away. He's coming with, I think he's a Jewie. Yep, little Jewie. Go, little Jewie, massive amount of them in there. Heaps coming through up over there now. So I cast it down a bit too far. Maybe more over there. Yep, there's another one. Another Dewey. Smaller. Oh, no, about the same size. Oh, so many. There you go. Hey mate, just gonna whack another cast in there real quick. They're just everywhere in there. Just everywhere. I don't expect this lure to last long. Might have thrown out far enough. Maybe getting wary. Fish over there. Will they have a go? Yeah, there we go. Straight away. Lounges. Oh, tail. Tail. Yeah, very nice example of a tailor. Yep, there we go, got one. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a big cod. Don't think that's what I was seeing down there. Had me excited there for a second. Nice cod. Okay. Yes, nice big estuary cod. Wow, not huge, but not bad. He'd be good fillets if I wanted him, which I don't. Yeah, he'd be in the 40s. Not too bad. Not what those fish were that I'm seeing on the active target though. At least I don't think so. Go on. Nice. Oh. It's not what I was aiming for. It's cool. Good. Had some threadfin on the sounder. I thought I'd hooked one. Here we go, solid 60 centimetre flathead. yeah, casting at a school of threadies, or a few threadies anyway. Felt that line tank and I thought I was on for a thready, but unfortunately not. Still a cool fish though. I've got a few threadfin beside me here. Yep, got one. Maybe not. That's one. All right, finally we've hooked one. Oh, dropped him, no. Oh, that hurts. Oh, that hurts. Oh, bugger. Oh, that hurts. I worked hard for that. We'll have one last look at a place on the way home, and yeah, that'll be that, I reckon. Oh no, the grunter. Ah, that's what these are. They have little dewies. No. Nice javelin fish. Very sharp. Sharp spike, sharp gill rakers. It'd be about legal. Could be 40 centimeters to be legal. So he'd be about that. Yeah, nice little javelin fish. I really should be heading home, but I don't know, there's just enough here to keep me interested. Just. Still out there. Yep, there's another one. This is a grunter, it's a good one. I hope it's a grunter. I think this might be a thready. Came up to the top. It is, it's a thready. Probably bite me off. Quite a few fish out there. 20-pound leader is really cutting it fine for a thready. Might back off him a bit now. Oh well, we got him. Very nice. Didn't get anything to bite this morning, but no, it just always seems to be on the run outside. The last of the run outside, I start getting fish. Oh well, let's have a look at him, eh?
About 86.
Right. Nice 86 centimetre thread. Not a big thready by any stretch of the imagination, but hey, a little bit of fun, so I'll spear him back in. Away he goes. That's very good. Was. Nice thread. Cool. This took me a very long time. Lots and lots and lots of effort to catch this fish. Very light drag because I've only got 20-pound leader. Healthy little thread. Yeah, got him. Lure just fell straight out. A lot of fray on that. Broke it nothing. That's why you have to go easy on them if you're using 20-pound line. I've kept that drag strong or tight. I would have busted him off for sure.
About 91.
Here we go. Nice little 91 centimetre winter threadfin. I don't really want to keep him, so we'll let him go. Spear him in. Away he goes. Sweet. Hooked another thready. Little fella. It's a little thready, this one. I've got him hooked in the lip, so. Still goes so hard. Yeah, little tiny thread. Not too bad.
Just over 70.
There we go. Little tiny thread, just over 70 centimeters. We'll put him back. So I caught the vast majority of the fish today on this Rapala Crush City Imposter prawn in the banana prawn color, using a 1/2 ounce jig head in the Daiwa Bait Junkie. Reels, the 13 Fishing Inception as said. Rod, Dobbins Fury Series, 10 to 17 pounds, 7 foot stick. 15 pound braid and 20 pound leader. 20 pound is a little bit too light for thread fin. I was lucky to land that one. He nearly wore me off, but luckily I backed off him at the end. But yeah, after that fish, it just sort of broke at nothing. It probably broke at about 6 pound, just from fray. I hooked the bigger thready on this Nomad Vertrex Max, and reel is a Shimano Corrado 200 HG. Rod is a Dobbins Fury Series 10 to 20 pounds 6.6, 20 pound leader, 40 pound trace. Alright guys, that'll do me for the day. Very tough day really for me. Bit of everything but not a whole lot of anything. But yeah, with a lot of hard work and a lot of searching around, I finally managed to pull together a few fish. So yeah, not too bad, but yeah, a lot of work, and this wind made it quite difficult as well. But anyway guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.